Hi, I'm Enzie. Today I'm going to show you my skincare regimen with Glow Recipe, and I'm going to start with the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I'm going to apply this all over my skin. The avocado is going to keep me hydrated, and the retinol is definitely going to target a little bit of my maturity. I'm going to leave this wonderful product on my face for 10 minutes, and then I will wash it off. Now my 10 minutes are up, so I'm going to remove the mask with this amazing papaya sorbet. This wonderful balm has papaya enzyme, and papaya enzyme are very exfoliating. All the dead layer of skin cells will come off gently, and it feels amazing. I've added some water, and the product is emulsifying. Now my skin has been clean, but I'm going to do the first step to hydration by using the Watermelon Glow Toner. It's going to tighten my pores, hydrate. Of course, hydrating is my main concern. Oh wow. Next step is my eye cream. It's the Avocado Melt Eye Cream with encapsulated retinol, and encapsulated retinol because the delivery is more gentle. Serums are a good magnet for hydration. I like to layer product because the hydration is more, the nourishment is more. Layering also protect my skin. I just found this amazing product called Plum Hyaluronic Serum. With this serum, I feel like I actually dip my head in water. It has 3 types of plums and hyaluronic acid. As I'm maturing, I find that I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, and vitamin C is amazing because the clarity of my skin is better. For a mature woman, it's like the combination is amazing. You get hydration and you get the skin balance. This is my last step. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It has potassium, magnesium. It has amazing calming and soothing benefit while it's moisturizing and hydrating your skin. The more hydration that I can put in, the more satisfaction I get out of my routine.